Hello guys, Namaste and welcome to my new video. Today we are going to visit Moonta Mines Museum. Moonta is a town of the York Peninsula of South Australia, which is 165 km northwest from Adelaide. It is one of the three towns known as the Copper Coast for their sheer copper mining history. Today we are going to ride on a Moonta Mines tourist railway. Departing from the platform adjacent to the Moonta Mines Museum, the Moonta Mines Tourist Railway is a guided tour of the historic Moonta Mines State Heritage Area. Featuring extensive commentary, passengers are taken past many historic landmarks of the former mining operations, including the reservoir, ore sorting floors, and through a tunnel in a Rhine tailings heap. It visits the former precipitation work, which was set off in 1900 to recover additional copper from the tailing heaps, a process which continued until 1943. Proudly maintained and operated by volunteers of the National Trust of South Australia Moonta branch, the Moonta Mines Museum is a very beautiful place to visit.
They needed engineers, they needed you name the trade, and they needed educated people. So he was going to be sure that none of the kids, the boys that worked on the Moonta mining site, grew up without an education. And what did he do? He built a classroom.
On the left-hand side, through the fence, you can see the concrete tank where the seawater was stored and the sulphuric acid was added. The dilute acid then ran underground.